Culturally, I grew up in a Jewish household. Um, it was just part of the walls. You didn't even think about. You just were. You just knew. It was what your life was, what your way of being was you were Jewish. There was only 3 ingredients to anything, and it was garlic and onion and a little salt and pepper. There was none of these fancy spices they have now. You ate kasha and bow ties and brisket and soup, and dinner time was endless because there was always dessert and tea afterwards, and you just sat and you'd kibitz and kibitz and kibitz. And the synagogue and Hebrew school and the holidays were just what was the rhythm of your life, there was no, I didn't even realize that, like, people, that there was another way till I was much older, till I had gone to college. I just figured everybody was Jewish, to be honest with you. The cultural part of it, the way of being, the way of looking at the world, the way of honoring always the past, how education in words had so much meaning, like just one word could mean something. We could have the discussions in the house, the education. My grandparents had a lot to do with it. My grandfather went deaf and he stopped going to synagogue because he was embarrassed, but you would go, you'd walk down the hallway to where their bedroom area was, and you'd see him and he'd have his tallis on and he'd be praying in the corner, But then on the other hand, there was his Shlivovitz schnapps that he would take a shot of every afternoon that he swore my grandmother didn't know about, but everybody knew about it, and the paintings on the walls. I mean, it was just, it wasn't even something you thought about. It was, you just woke up in the morning and you were just in it, you were just there.